guys, welcome to this video. Here I will benchmark the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G15 2021 edition against a lot of different benchmarks. My specifications of the laptop are AMD Ryzen 5800HS processor with Radeon graphics, which is an iGPU. The CPU has 8 cores and 16 threads and has a 3.2 GHz clock speed. I also have the RTX 3060 GPU with 6 GB of RAM and the faster memory. I also have 16 GB of RAM in this laptop and a 1 TB NVMe hard drive. So let's start with the benchmarks. So the first benchmark is Cinebench R20 with the multi-core run. So here all 16 threads are running together. I have also made a video showing the run, but here I'm just giving the conclusions. So here you can see that the silent mode got 3459 points. I did multiple runs and the average score was around this much only, and I have just put one score here. So, and then you see in the performance mode I got a score of 4782 points. So if you compare these two, it's almost a gain of 40% over the previous score. So you can see there's a huge performance difference between performance mode and silent mode. So now if you compare the score of the turbo mode, which is like the extreme mode, we got a higher score, which is 4857, but compared to the performance mode, that's only a 2% performance gain. And the turbo mode does get pretty loud, so I think the performance mode gives you the best possible performance along with a decent noise level. Otherwise the turbo mode gets pretty loud. So now here, looking at the single core Cinebench R20, we look at the scores. So in the silent mode, the single core score is 469 points, and in the performance mode the single core score is 546 points. So here we got a gain of around 15% over the silent mode in performance mode, and if you look at the turbo mode, we got a score of 555 points, which is hardly a gain of 1% over the performance mode. So here again you can see that the performance mode again gives you the best balance. So next is the Geekbench CPU benchmark, which compares single core and multi-core performance at the same time. In silent mode, we got 856 points in single core mode and 5351 points in multi-core score. Now looking at the performance mode, we got 1452 points in single core score and 7171 points in multi-core score. If you compare this to the silent score, we gained 70% in the single core score and close to 35% in the multi-core score. So again, the gains between silent mode and performance modes are actually huge. And now looking at the turbo mode, our score for single core was 1441 points, which is 1% lower than the single core score in performance mode, but this difference is hardly can be counted at all. But in multi-core score, we gained close to 3% over the performance mode. Now coming to the Geekbench benchmark for the integrated GPU, which is the Radeon graphics, which comes along with the Ryzen processor. So this is an iGPU which is not built for gaming and can only process light tasks on the laptop, nothing for heavy graphics intensive tasks. So here you can see that in the silent mode we got a score of 8742, and in the performance mode we got a score of 9390, and here we were able to gain 7% over the silent mode. Another thing I like to tell you is that the iGPU simply doesn't run in turbo mode. Whenever you shift the laptop into the turbo mode, it completely disables the iGPU and it only runs on the RTX 3060. Now coming to the Geekbench benchmark for the RTX 3060, you can see that the scores against the iGPU is huge. Now in the silent mode, the score for RTX 3060 is 9.4 times than the iGPU, and in the performance mode it's almost 10.5 times than the iGPU. So the iGPU and the RTX 3060 have a huge performance gap, like it's almost 10 times the score. Now comparing the score of RTX 3060, in the silent mode we got close to 82,000 score, and in the performance mode we got close to 1 lakh score. So you can see there's a clear gain of 22% from silent to performance mode. And for the turbo mode, you can see that there's a hardly gain of 3% over the performance mode. Now, when benchmarking the 1 TB NVMe drive using the Crystal Disk Mark software, we got the following results. In the silent mode, we got a score of close to 1900 megabytes per second in read and 1650 megabytes per second in the write. And when shifting to performance mode, we got a score of 3600 megabytes per second in the read, and the write speed was almost 2800 megabytes per second. You can clearly see that there is a gain of 90% in the read speed and a gain of 70% in the write speed in performance mode over the silent mode. Now going to the turbo mode, there is hardly any gain in the read speeds of the drive, but the write speeds do improve by close to 10%. So you can see again this performance in turbo mode is more or less the same. So these were the benchmarks for the 1 TB NVMe drive. Now the final benchmark using the 3D Marks times by benchmark, we got the following score. In the silent mode, we got a score of 5399, and in the performance mode, we got a score of 7386 points. So you can see there's a clearly an improvement of 37% in the performance mode over the silent mode. And in the turbo mode, we got a score of 7662, which is again an improvement of 4% over the performance mode. I have already done another video showing the times by benchmarks and how loud the laptop gets under these heavy computing loads. So please do check out that video. Thank you for watching this video on benchmarks. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.